Hey, what up guys, how's it going? I have the NewAge Bold Products 3.0 cabinet storage system. I have the 14-piece set. I bought it for $2,000. It was on sale at the time, and I got the gray steel color and black. Yeah, black is on it too. Anyways, it was on sale for $2,000 at the time, so I jumped on it right now. It looks like it's a little over $2,600 at Lowe's. That's where I bought it, and it's a couple of bucks cheaper at Home Depot right now. Who knows, Black Friday or something, they may have it on sale. But if you want to get it from Lowe's, Lowe's will price match Home Depot, or you just go to Home Depot. But yeah, it's a 14-piece set, so I thought it was going to come on all of these pallets, but it didn't. It only came on one pallet, actually two pallets, and inside each cabinet are the smaller cabinets. So don't get alarmed when you see it arrive and you're like, hey, where's the rest of it? The only thing that you'll see separately are the countertops. I went with the stainless steel countertops. You could choose bamboo. It also comes in red. Totally up to you. Yeah, so it just got delivered. I'm really hyped. And hopefully this video helps you decide if you like it or not. Now they have more expensive models where it's made out of a thicker metal, if you like that. But for me, this will do. And I'm just trying to organize the garage and have it look kind of cool. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go down to the garage, take them out of the box a little bit, and then hopefully they just give me a bunch of lag bolts. I'll just bolt them to the wall, and then we're good to go. So yeah, let's go down to the garage and yeah, laters. So this is the 14-piece set, and it's in gray, and it comes in where's the other one? 4 big boxes, and you also get the tops right here, the tops. So yeah, I'm gonna install them on my wall all across there. But anyways, these are them. So yeah, I'm gonna start unboxing these and installing them. Installing them shouldn't be too hard, but yeah, I'm excited. Just got the floor epoxy too. All right, guys. Okay, so I have one here. I have the box, and I want you guys to see just how well this is packaged. So they got the foam in there in the front, left, right, all of it, like nothing is gonna move or come loose or get damaged during shipping. Not to say that it's not possible, but it for sure is packed very, very well. So yeah, we'll see how I do here in a little bit. Okay, so the setup is all done in my garage, as you can see. Yeah, So the distance here, if you lay them all out this way, is 216 inches. So if you want to do it this way, like I did, make sure you have enough room. Measure your wall first. If you're going to do them in a corner, it's an additional stainless steel counter, a cabinet below, and an upper. So yeah, if you want to do it in the corner, the way the set comes right now, you can't do it that way. You need to buy the corner unit, which is separately. My neighbor ended up getting the same set, but he did his in the corner, and it was like a couple $100 or maybe like 100 and something, 200 bucks, I don't remember, for him to that one corner unit. So yeah, this is it. Looks pretty cool. I also added some lights. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to see the lights that I use, but there's two ways you could do it. You know, you put the lights right under here, but I didn't like physically seeing the lights, so I put the lights behind to kind of shine off the wall behind it and give me light down here, because I just didn't like seeing the lights. Yeah, the setup is easy, simple. The only thing is there's a bunch of bolts. So there's 4 feet on each shelf. Each foot, if you will, or caster for these. So these come with casters, so you can roll them out. You know, you might have tools or stuff in here while you're wrenching on your car or whatever. You could just wheel this out and then put it right back into place and lock it in. So it either has stationary feet or casters on each one. So there's 4 feet on each one. Each one takes 4 bolts. So that's 16 bolts for one cabinet, and it just takes forever. So if you have an impact driver, power tools, it helps. So you know that 16 times 8, that's like 168 bolts just for the feet, you know? And then when you install these to the wall, you're doing 4 lag bolts into the studs. So you're doing 4 lag bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 on each cabinet. So you do 4 times 8, that's 32. So now you just did 168, and then you're doing 32 bolts on the wall. But hey, that's what you got to do if you want to be safe. I bought these totes at Home Depot. I liked them because they matched. They were only a couple of bucks. Labeled them. So now the garage is completely organized. I have no more excuses to not be organized, but I'm gonna come in closer so you guys can see just the build quality and everything. I'm really happy with it. The lights I put in here, I even ended up putting like a light in the cabinet for all my automotive stuff, automotive cleaning stuff. But it's a lot of storage. It's great. It looks cool. This is like one of those dad gifts. So any ladies out there or kids, you don't know what to get your dad, you know, the whole family could pitch in. This is something like dad would like for like Father's Day or Christmas. Although I don't have any kids yet, this is definitely a dad gift. Like, this is dope. Or just people that want to be organized and just have a dope garage. My floor is epoxied, painted. I'm a huge Tesla fan. I have a Model 3. Oh, anyone buying a Tesla, by the way, use my referral code. It's in the description. But yeah, so these are the cabinets. I like them. They're great. They're pretty solid. I feel my DeWalt tool chest, it's a little more sturdy as far as like rolling in and out, but you know what I mean? For what this is, it's not bad. It's pretty good. So, you know, I only ended up paying $2,000 total delivered to my house. That's not bad for this whole set. I mean, this is massive, 216 inches from left to right. It's insane. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. It comes in different colors, variations, and I'll zoom in so you could see it and you can see all the stuff here, but I love it. It's great. It's nice having all your stuff put away. Now they also have another Pro series where, because I think this is like an 18 gauge metal where they have thicker metals and stuff like that. So if you want something thicker, they also have like that diamond pattern you can get. Total different variations, but this is the set that I got. I'll leave a link in the description below. But let me stop talking and come in closer so you guys can see it. Okay, so here we are, closer look. They come with about 3 shells per unit. Let's take a look. Let's see what I got in here. Yeah, it comes with 3 shells per unit. Also comes with plenty of coat racks. So if you want to go ahead and hang your coats, jackets, stuff like that, the kids' coats, you know, anything you want to leave in the garage. Yeah, so it's great for storage, Christmas decorations, Halloween, Thanksgiving, whatever you celebrate. Yeah, so you can see 2 of the lag bolts that I just drove in there. That way it's secure. You have to put the bolts in. Even if you only do 2 up top, you have to, because anytime you pull on this, because the magnets are a little strong, anytime you pull on this, it'll just come forward, and you don't want that. That won't be unsafe for you or your family at all. So you have to close the left one, then the right one, because there's a little bit of a lip right here. You see that? So left, right. So let's see what I got in this one. You know, outdoor work gear if I'm doing stuff out in the yard, or you know, gonna be working outside for a long time on the roof, whatever. Tool belt, you know, just junk. I actually have painting supplies all there, so you know, it's just a nice way to stay organized. Now these stainless steel tops that I got, it came in 2 pieces, and then under these, inside the cabinets, there's 4 holes where you use little screws to screw it to the bottom side of the countertop. If these are going to be stationary and everything, you can go ahead and throw lag bolts in those and bolt those to the wall. I chose not to because I want to be able to use the casters and roll it out if I need it. These are stationary and sturdy enough where nothing's going to come forward when you open these. But I can tell you what, something cool that I like is at the bottom of all the cabinets. Let me get in here. They included a hole. So if you want to run wires or anything, power in there. So we have a little vacuum that we use to vacuum out the cars, and it's right there. So I don't have to have it out or up top or anything like that. So yeah, plenty of holes for lag bolts. And believe me, they give you so many lag bolts you won't even know what to do with it. But that way you can bolt it in, and at the bottom of every cabinet, not just this one, but every cabinet, they have holes so you can run power or wires or anything you want to. All right, and don't worry, it's not blocking my electrical panels. Here, I actually installed them on the back of a 2x4. So I have, you know, 2 inches clearance, and my doors are actually held on by magnets. So I could just pop them off if I need to get to the fuse panel there. And here's the drawers, and they are lined with like a rubber padding. It's not just metal, so it's pretty cool. And yeah, let me go over here. That way you can see different angle. And yeah. That's it. Just wanted to show you the cabinets, and I love the fact that these are bolted in. So if I wanted to add more totes, more stuff, I could just run them all the way across. Pretty cool. So yeah, hope this video helped you decide. Don't know if you're interested in them or not, but you know, I just like to put up videos of stuff that I buy because they could help someone else. All right, guys. Laters.